Quoting a quote means sharing someone else's words exactly as they said them. But you also need to know that they are not your own. All right, here's how to do it. First, pick a quote you like, and it could be something from a book, a movie, or even a speech. All right, maybe something you found written on the sidewalk or in back of somebody's head. All right, so make sure it's interesting and important to your topic. Next, write down the quote inside of quotation marks. Quotation marks are the two little marks that look like I'll put it in the description, okay? This tells the readers that these are the exact words from someone else. All right? Now, after the quote, you should tell who said it. You can do this by adding a phrase like, according to this name. For example, the only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our own doubt of today. End quote, said Franklin D. Roosevelt. So, finally, if you were writing a paper or a project, you might need to include where you found the quote, like a book title or a website. Okay? This is going to help people know where the information came from. That's the point of the quote. Remember, using quotes can make your writing stronger, but always give credit to the person that said it. All right? Before you regret it and you have bad credit. All right. See you later. Jesus is Lord. Ciao.